I know at some point of time you may have wondered why AI related excessively hyped contents are keep on showing in your social media feeds. Why all the CEOs are talking about winter is coming for your job because of AI. Why pretty much all the layoffs that are happening are attributed to AI. This may be the answer. But to understand this answer in a better way and to set the context, let's talk about the journey of a new employee joining an organization. So, how do you get a new person to join your team or your organization? The official playbook starts with an interview process. You have some discussions and take a decision. The hiring decision at that point of time is based totally on lots of assumptions, expectations, and of course, gut feeling. Once the person joins your company, you help the person to understand the work, understand company policies, understand where the existing code bases are and the required documentations are. Once the induction of the new employee is done, after that, it's all about a journey of optimism, disappointments, hero moments, as well as moments of agony. As time flies by, we as humans, we always look forward to the best is yet to come moment. That's why everybody is there because we always believe the best is yet to come. It may or may not come in our lifetimes, but hope is what guides us. And frankly, we are happy about it as if we are built by God in this particular way. We navigate the path because we believe in something. We take the journey because we believe in something. Now consider what will happen if an AI joins your team or your organization. The AI will behave the very best it can from the first day onwards. There is no journey with AI. You will get the very best you can from that AI from the first conversation itself. And that's why it feels magical because you get things instantaneously. The flip side, however, is that the limits are exposed on the very first day itself, limits of the AI. And then there is no expectations from AI because the AI I am using, there is no the best is yet to come moment. I have the best today and there is no future to it. I cannot improve it. There is no best to come yet. And that goes against the very nature of human beings, which keeps us interested and invested in something. As an example, think about stock market. Will you ever invest in any stock, no matter how good the stock is, if you know that it cannot grow further? The answer is no. It's no brainer. We will be interested and invested in something only and only when we know that it can grow further. So if the things cannot grow further, we will not share any journey with it. Think about some of the real life scenarios. Consider what will happen if there is no journey associated with it. Imagine as a kid, you get the max pocket money you can get on the very first day of your pocket money. Will you do anything to impress your parents? Maybe, study hard, get good grades? No, you will not. If you come to know that the first day of your married life is the best you can ever have, will you invest something to make it better or make it work? Your kid becomes the president or CEO of a company the day he or she is born. Will you really be happy with it? It's the journey that matters. It's being said in many places that the journey was as beautiful as the destination. But I'm going ahead and saying that destination without journey is meaningless. It's a journey that makes us human, makes us emotional, makes us take decisions, makes us fail and learn again and again. If we directly go to the destination first, we will not learn anything, and secondly, we will not value the destination because it comes easy. When we are using AI, we are not taking the journey towards the destination. We get to the destination directly, and that's why it feels like magic. And over time, we get less and less interested in that because we know the limit. There is no the best is yet to come moment. And yes, people behind AI knows this, and this is the answer of the three questions I asked in the beginning of this video. This is why your social media feed is keep on telling about AI. All the CEOs are keep on talking about AI. Something is coming to keep us interested. The AI you are using is static, but the best is yet to come is being told to us by some other people so that we are interested in looking into next model, whether real or hyped, we don't know, but we are actively waiting for that. And with the release of every model, things are bombarded as if you get new godlike powers. Agreed that it will keep us interested, but unfortunately, there is a catch. We don't have any role to play in this, the best is yet to come of AI. You shape your kids for their best is yet to come. A partner does that for his or her own partner. A mentor does that for his or her mentee. A teacher does that for his or her students. You working as a team is part of that journey. And that's why people in these roles are feeling connected to the success. And when the new GPT model comes, we made no contribution to the real or maybe a hyped betterment of the same. For every new model that dropped in the market today, we get into same loop. We get the best we can on the first day itself, and then we start losing interest, and then we wait for a new model. This is how it's going, and this is the way it's gonna go on for some more time. And this is one of the main reasons why we may never be happy with AI no matter how good it becomes. Last point. What scares me to the hell is that without the journey, we are missing out on two most valuable experience as a human being, which allows us to learn a lot of things, which allowed us to be an intelligent species. We are no longer doing that, and really that scares the hell out of me. I really hope better sense will prevail in the future. Thank you all. Thanks for watching. We'll meet again. Good day, goodbye. You take care.